Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you. And of course, if you're back from one of my previous videos, then welcome back. Alright, so before we start, if you haven't already, click subscribe to join the Kwak fam. I mean, so many people are joining and you wanna, join too, then maybe you wanna click subscribe down below. The nice little cute red button. So click subscribe, join the Kwak fam, why not? And let's get started with today's video. Alright, so today we are talking about the Gerard Cosmetic Lipstick. And well, this video is not first impressions because I've already tried it before, I've already swatched it before. It's just a video to actually dive in and talk about this lipstick a little bit more in depth. Alright, so hey, why not? So this is my first Gerard Cosmetic lipstick I'm trying out. And because it's not a first impression, I can tell you right away, I do like it. You know, I've used it a couple of times now, so I do like it a lot so far. Let's see. So a couple of information about this. This is their website is gerardcosmetic.com, made in the USA in Valencia, California. What else? It is cruelty free, very nice. So if you guys are worried about that kind of stuff, or you only use cruelty free makeup products, Gerard Cosmetic is for you. And this color that I have is in Cherry Cordial. Now, the packaging is just a nice shiny gold, very simple and clean looking packaging. And then right in the front, it has the name of the brand called Gerard Cosmetics once again. And if you open it up, the actual bullet inside looks like this. And then to swatch it for you guys, just to show you guys what it looks like on the back of my hand. That is what it looks like on the back of my hand. So as you can tell, it's a nice like dark red wine looking color, and I do like the color a lot. I think the color like this suits me very well. So I will actually put this color on for you guys and show you guys what it looks like on the lips. Alright. So obviously these colors will look different depending on your skin tone. So if you got skin tone like the skin tone of my skin, you know, then you can kind of get an idea of what the lipstick looks like against your skin tone. Make sense? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and actually wipe off the lip gloss I have and lipstick I have right now and then put that on. Alright, 10 years later and I finally have the lipstick on because I kind of suck at putting on lipstick. It takes me forever and a day, so I have to be like super slow at it and be like really precise by using this little lipstick brush. But yeah, so here is my lipstick on my face. It is once again the Gerard Cosmetic in the shade Cherry Cordial. And a little bit of close up for you guys. I feel like the lights here are too bright. Let me turn off one of the lights and see if that helps. Ooh, that looks better. Maybe turn these lights away a little bit. Is that better? Make it look more realistic, you know? So that's my face up close, guys. Alright, so this is the lip color, and I think it looks nice. Now that I'm up close and personal, you can see all the mistakes I made on my lipstick because I suck at putting on lipstick. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I am looking at my viewfinder so I can see what you guys are seeing, if that makes sense. I think it looks really nice, so... Ooh, let's test if it's transfer proof or kiss proof. Turn back on my lights. Alright, so the ultimate, the famous, the well-known kiss test. So here's the back of my hand. Alright. And in 3, 2, 1. You guys see that? So it's not like 100% that it's going to transfer over, but it does kind of transfer a little bit. So definitely not kiss proof, but you know, I've seen worse. This is like really not that bad, to be honest, so I'm not mad about it. But there are lipsticks out there that are 100% kiss proof. I have some of them and they're amazing, but this one, it is not kiss proof, but it looks good on my lips. It actually feels really comfortable. See? Feels very comfortable. And once I kiss the back of my hand, honestly, like, you can't even tell the product was taken off and placed on the back of my hand. I think it's still very pigmented. You can still see the colors on my lips, so I think it worked out pretty well. Alright, that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Just a simple video talking about this product that I received from my best friend. She is amazing. I love her. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this where I talk about different products and review it, first impression, not first impression, talking about it, my thoughts, my opinions, all the good stuff, then go ahead and like this video down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, alright? If you haven't already, of course, join the Kwak fam. Very simple to join. Click subscribe. What are you waiting for? Follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And that is pretty much it, guys. Well, of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!